Use laundry clips in the bathroom, and you'll be amazed at their effectiveness. Bathroom clips have a unique purpose. Few know the secret, but once you discover it, you'll surely be impressed. And so will your guests. Every bathroom with a toilet is one of those places in the house where there's usually more dirt and bacteria, and sometimes even mold. With frequent toilet use, many people use popular detergents for cleaning and disinfecting. After using them, the bathroom smells pleasant, but they work briefly and are expensive. After flushing the toilet a few times, there's no trace of them. Today, I'll show you a way to make your bathroom always smell like a luxury home, and it's all thanks to laundry clips. Though it may sound strange, such clips are suitable for this task. It's worth starting with the fact that these are wooden clips. If you already have clips, you'll also need essential oil, preferably with your favorite scent. Eucalyptus works well in the bathroom. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. We'll use it on the clips. Even one drop on a clip is enough for you to feel its extraordinary scent. Refreshing and pleasant. When you moisten the clips with it, place one or several in different spots in the bathroom. It could be a container for paper towels or a small trash bin placed near the toilet. You can attach a clip to the shower glass. Wherever you do this, the scent of the oil will be long-lasting in the bathroom. Your bathroom will always be fragrant.